ba napapagod si Sina ko, Brad? Hindi ka ba napapagod na magalit sa akin?
So this is all my fault?
Fine, let's solve this then by a matchup.
First one to reach the top, siya ang panalo.
Ay! Cyrus, dahan-dahan po sa pagtapak. Go, boss.
I won.
Boss,
That look of concern, para kanino yan?
sa kanilang dalawa po, syempre, Sir Philip.
Alam mo, marami talaga kailangan pag-usapan yung magkapatid. Kaya siguro it's best if we let them.
Boss, mag-half day sana ako bukas.
Fine. The flirting has to stop. You know, it's about time that that my cousin asks her out.
Oh, yeah.
Kimberly, ikaw na munang bahala dito, ha? Half day lang ako today.
I got you, Miss Kim. So, while naka-half day si Miss Kim, I think we can plan na the surprise despedida sa team building.
Yes! May excuse na ako kay Sir Ronnie para makasama sa inyo, guys!
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm just saying, manage your expectations. Alam niyo naman yung HR, they're very particular at walang nakakalusot sa kanila.
Sir, what? Iwas nega na. I-push na yan.
Alam mo, I'm just being realistic. Alam mo, magse-celebrate lang ako kapag sure na
Nasaan na bang mga tao dito?
Sir, may need po kayo?
Where's the St. Justin Med memo? I have to read it and wala pa siya sa table ko. What? Amateurs ba nasa team ko or the best of the best?
Sir, paperless na po tayo.
Call the property management. Tell them that from now on, paperless na tayo sa office ko.
Just resend it.
May meeting po kayo in 15 minutes with Mr. President and the marketing team about Idea X.
Okay.
So, i-invite din ba natin si BMC sa surprise despedida ni Seki?
No!
Jay! Eh, ano po ba talaga?
Guys, no boss allowed. Hindi tayo makakapagwalwal ng all-out kapag nandyan sila.
Alam mo, Sir Walt, deserve naman na nandun si Boss mong cute. Siya naman ang boss ni Sek Kim, eh. At for eye candy purposes.
Ayun. Lumabas din yung tunay mong motibo. Eye candy, eye candy. Mag-cookie ka, eye candy.
Well, this is it. The exact location of the crime scene. Oh, may naka-trigger ba sa memories mo?
I don't like it.
Sir, how about this po?
No.
This?
I hate it!
Sorry po, sir.
Hey bro, chill ka lang. Okay naman yung mga
Magkasama si Cyrus at si Sek Kim ngayon, okay? What? What's so funny?
Wala. Eh ikaw, akala ko ba di ka affected? Selos ka eh.
Don't be ridiculous. Me? Jealous? No way.
Oh, eh anong nangyari dun sa you'll ask her out?
That was my cousin. Remember?
Okay.
You know what? Why don't you just go back to work?
Ito nga, trabaho ko. Ang total ito.
I'm sorry.
Hindi. Wala ka namang kasalanan.
Rob, kung di binili ng magulang ko ang exact location ng crime scene, mas madali para sa'yo makaalala.
Kayo yung may-ari ng amusement park?
No. It's a family friend. Binenta ng dad ko yung lupa after buying it. The kidnapping incident was very traumatizing for my family. It changed our lives forever. Nagpa-news blackout pa nga ang pamilya ko just to protect our peace.
Kaya pala.
Shortly after that, my dad bought the whole block. It's ang pinatuyo ang old house. Just to erase everything.
Kaya din siguro kami lumipat sa Cavite. Kasi dito pala nangyari yung crime scene. Siguro, sinadya ni Dado na ilayo talaga ako dito.
Dito ka nakatira dati?
Oh. Kung saan nakatayo tong carousel.
No wonder you were there. You were just around the area. It's somewhere hidden in the back. Meant to be forgotten.
Sandali. Bakit parang wala akong maalala kung bakit ako nandun?
Baka kasi ibang-iba na yung tsura ng lugar. Kaya hindi ka matrigger. That's the objective of my parents. Maging unrecognizable na ang lugar. So it will be harmless. Para hindi na nakadikit ang trauma. We never even talked about the incident after that. Kaya nakikiusap ako sa'yo. Let's keep this between us.
Ano?
We'll do anything for our families. Won't we? Kahit minsan, medyo mali.
Hello, boss?
Come back here. May emergency.
What happened?
It's confidential. Business matters.
Okay. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you for today. Ingat ka, Ninja Boy. Boss, sorry po na traffic kami. Ano pong emergency yun?
I want ramen.
Ha? Ramen? Sorry. Ramen po? Ito na po yung ramen niyo, boss. Boss, bakit niyo naman po ako tinawagan? Nagpaalam naman po ako sa inyo eh.
I want you to bury your old memories.
But I want to remember.
Past is past.
Importante kasi sa akin yun.
Important enough to upset the person you're flirting with? We're flirting, right? So, oo or yes?
Wala bang ibang
For
choice?
God's sake, Secretary Kim, let's stop flirting and start dating.
Sure ka na ba, boss?
I know inaya kitang makipag-date dati to stop you from resigning. But this time, like a date, a real date. I mean it. Look, I'm smart, I'm handsome, I'm rich. What more could you ask for? Just say yes.
No.
What? That doesn't make sense.
Ayoko makipag-date sa isang moody, seloso at competitive na BFC. Out ko na po, boss. See you tomorrow.
Secretary Kim! Ilang beses mo ba ako i-reject? I don't understand, Sec Kim. It's impossible to resist this face.
Good morning, sir.
Where are you? Where's Sec Kim?
Part daw po ng training ko yung mauna sa inyo and gawin yung morning routine on my own. May na-miss po ba ako?
Anong oras daw siya darating?
Actually, malapit na daw po siya.
Just say yes.
No. Lord, kayo na po bahala sa akin. Pero okay na rin to. At least mapapaaga yung exit ko. Kaysa naman kainin ako ng kahihiyan ko dito kay boss, di ba? Oo, ready na ako umalis. Oh, Kimari. Bad vibes?
No po.
Okay. Naready mo ba yung morning routine ni boss?
Yes po, Miss Kim.
Very good. Ready ka na sa pag-alis ko.
Miss Kim? Stop that. You'll make me cry.
Uy, ready ka na, di ba?
Sec Kim.
Sandali. Boss?
Is it because of Ninja Boy?
Sinabi ko naman po yung honest reasons ko kagabi.
And how did you feel when you finally reconnected with him?
Masaya naman po.
First love mo ba siya?
Opo, boss.
Really?
Mga bata pa po kasi kami noon. Puppy love po. Hindi niya nga maalala na nag-propose po ako sa kanya eh. May kailangan pa po kayo? Excuse me.
Hindi work-related ang pag-join yung steps sa team building.
I know. But this is our only chance para makapag-participate with the party for Miss Kim. Magiging busy tayo sa ADX next week.
Sorry. Company policy.
Look, this is for Miss Kim.
Yeah. I like Sec Kim, but rules are rules.
Okay. I'll tell them your secret na lang.
Sinusubukan mo ko.
Okay. Fine. She's in.
You're the sweetest, Ronnie. TYSM, ingat! It's official, Stephanie Rojas. You're in!
Kate is patiently waiting for her memories to rush back, like raging waters from a stormy river. Carla nudges her. Kate moves closer to the ancient wall of Casa San Diego. Carla takes her hand, leads it to the old bricks. The two shiver. Oddly, Manila's humid evening. Carla's hand brings comfort as she closes her eyes. Kate hopes the souls of the past will whisper her own history, suppressed by personal pains.
Inspired?
You think?
I think you're in love.
Maybe I am.
Ganda!
Wow!
Ganda, no?
Mas maganda siya sa pic.
Uy,
Sharing.
Bigat ng bag mo, Sarah. Ang dami ko nang andala.
Uy, maganda tong place na to. Sino bang nakahanap nito?
Of course! Miss Sarah! Woo! Yes! Snacks?
Check.
Board games.
Check!
O drinks.
Drinks. Ito, oh. Check na check.
Pero kung ganyan ka lagi sa office, pwede mo nang palitan si Kim.
Uy, huwag kayong ganyan. Baka ma-hurt si Kim Mario.
Huy! Ano ka ba?
Ronnie, you know naman that this is an out-of-town trip, right?
Well, as the HR officer tasked to lead your team building, syempre dapat professional pa rin ako.
Maraming salamat nga pala sa Ronnie, ha, dahil pinayagan mong sumama tong si Steph.
Sa Kim, that's because of the goodness of his heart.
Thanks, Sir Ronnie, ha. Kundi dahil sa'yo, mamimiss ko tong surprise despedida kay Sek.
Hoy! Nakakaloko ko, Step!
Sorry.
Ano to?
Sorry,
Ayun
guys.
na.
Sorry. Pero at least, di ba, na-surprise ka pa rin, di ba, Sek Kim? Early nga lang.
Alam mo, dapat hindi ka na talaga sinama at iniwan ka na lang. Salamat ha sa pagsira sa surprise.
Tama na. Kunyari na lang. Wala ako narinig, okay?
Thank you, Sek Kim.
Guys! Ano ba? You're so paranoid, ano?
Hindi ako paranoid. Sinunod ko na yung gusto mo, di ba? So please.
And so? What's the big deal? Wala namang masama kung isa lang talaga.
Alam mo naman mga judgmental yung mga tao, di ba? Kapag nalaman nila isa lang yung damit ko, tatatak yun sa kanila. Ang makikita lang nila yung Ronnie na nag-uulit-ulit ng damit. Hindi yung Ronnie as super good-looking worker. My reputation will go down the drain. So please. Okay?
Ever.
Ito nga, oh.
Eyes here, everyone.
Palagi yung mga pangri.
Ito ang ating room assignments.
Ay! Guys, TikTok tayo dun, oh! Ang galing na
Guys, sinunod ko lang kayo. Hindi to outing.
Guys, listen. Okay? Get your room assignments first.
Thank you, Sir Walt.
Okay, so pagkakuha nyo ng room assignments ninyo, lagay nyo yung mga gamit nyo, and then... Party!
Siyempre siya sa akin green.
One, ano ba yan? Ba't ang malas?
Talo ka na naman, Sir Walt.
Dali lang.
Parang 12 to.
Parang
Sir
nagmamadali ka.
Walt, tayo na lang to, oh.
Ano na, masusunog na yun, no?
Wait lang.
Nasaan ko na pala yung signed contract as your speaker for the Idea X event.
Thank you. Anong ginagawa niya dito? Uy, si boss.
Good morning po, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, BMC.
Good morning.
Boss, ano pong ginagawa niya dito?
Well, this is a team building, and the direction of this team is always a mess without your leader. That's why I'm here.
What a perfect role model, sir.
Join us, sir.
I will, Miss Angeles.
Gusto niyo pong sumali, sir? Nagsisnakes and ladders po.
Inibitahan niyo ba si boss dito?
Hindi po, ayaw nga po ni Sir Walter eh.
O sige na, dalhin mo na to dun. Pag-grill mo na yan.
Sige
Balikan
po.
mo tong drinks, ha?
Apo.
I want you to know that the reason I'm here is because of you.
Gusto niyo po ng ramen?
Ikaw ang gusto ko. Sekim, I want you to forget about Cyrus. I want to create new memories with you. Liligawan kita. And I promise you, in 2 days, tayo na.
Kaya lang hindi ikaw siya, pero sana nga ay ikaw siya. Kung isasantabi ko ang dati, makakayanan ko ba? Nangako akong hanapin siya, pero tansyang